Hi guys, it's Alejandro with MJ Truck Nation. Today we're going to go over tilting the cab for you. For a lot of people this can be a little bit intimidating, but we're going to show you how quick and how easy and how safe this is. It's a real simple process. It's about 4 steps in total. You have your first lever here. You're going to tuck your hand in. You're going to pull that forward. You're going to grab the second lever. You're going to pull that forward. From there, you grab the third lever while this is still tucked in, and you just lift. It's not much muscle at all involved. It locks in place. You're going to pull the safety pin out. You're going to put it in place. And now it's locked in. Once it's locked in, if you want to take it out, pull out the safety pin, put it back where it belongs. There's a lever right here. You're going to pull that forward. And you're just going to let the truck drop. Once the cab's back in place, push down the final lever, and you're all set. Any questions, feel free to give us a call here at MJ Truck Nation.